Ever wondered what DevOps is and why it's so popular? Well, imagine a scenario where your development and operations teams are no longer siloed, but instead work together in a symbiotic relationship. This, in essence, is what DevOps is all about. DevOps is like a bridge that connects the development and operations teams within an IT organization. It's a philosophy, a culture, and a practice that aims to reduce barriers and enhance speed and quality of software development and deployment. Think of it like this. Imagine you're building a car. Traditionally, you'd have one team that designs and builds the car, and another team that tests and maintains it. But what if the designers never spoke to the maintainers? They wouldn't know about the common issues, the maintenance nightmares, or the parts that break down too often. That's where DevOps comes in. It's like a team meeting where everyone gets together to discuss how to build the car better, faster, and more reliably. The beauty of DevOps lies in its ability to streamline processes. It achieves this by promoting closer collaboration between lines that were once separated. This leads to shorter development cycles, increased deployment frequency, and more dependable releases in close alignment with business objectives. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but are there any drawbacks? Yes, there are. Implementing a DevOps culture requires significant effort and change management. Teams must be willing to leave their comfort zones, learn new skills, and adapt to new ways of working. Furthermore, the high degree of automation that DevOps requires may lead to job losses or shifts in job roles and responsibilities. To summarize, DevOps is not just a set of tools or a job title. It's a culture that promotes collaboration between the development and operations teams to deliver software faster and more reliably. The benefits are substantial: faster development cycles, more frequent deployments, and higher quality software. But it's not without its challenges, including the need for significant organizational change and possible job losses due to automation. So there you have it, DevOps in a nutshell, a practice that's reshaping the way we develop and deliver software. It's a journey of continuous improvement that, if embraced, can lead to phenomenal results. But remember, like any journey, it's not without its bumps and turns.